Here I have Poco X5, and today I'm going to show you how to add fingerprint on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the passwords and security, then go to the fingerprint unlock, then go to select your screen lock method. It could be pattern, pin or password, so I'm just gonna go with pin. Then you have 5 seconds to get to know what this information, then tap got it. Here you have to enter your pin, so I'm gonna enter the simplest of pins. Then you have to find the fingerprint sensor, which is located on the power key of your Poco, and tap it with your finger several times until it remembers your fingerprint. So a few more taps. And fingerprint is added. And now you can unlock your device without entering your PIN code, just by scanning your fingerprint. You don't even have to press power key, you can just slightly scan your fingerprint like this, and yeah, that's how it's done. So easily. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.